There are moments when time itself holds its breath, moments when a single step begins a march that lasts for generations. One such moment was the 10th of June 1936, not the birth of just another club, but the dawn of a force, the rise of a legend, the beginning of the Rotary Club of Pune, the first flame that lit up an entire region and still burns brighter than ever. Born with 24 visionaries, blessed by the Rotary Club of Bombay, Pune became the 7th Rotary Club of India. But its destiny was never to be ordinary. It stood tall in District 89, a district so vast it spanned across India, Burma, Afghanistan, and Ceylon. And from that moment, history itself began to change. A gavel from the Rotary Club of Bombay, gifted in 1936, still rests as its crown jewel. Over the years, the club has become the Bhishma Pitama of District 3131, the fountainhead, the originator. It gave birth to 10 Rotary clubs, and through them, a dynasty was born. Today, 143 clubs, 5,474 members, all carrying the bloodline of the Rotary Club of Pune. From its ranks emerged 8 district governors who carried the torch forward. Rotarian Fram Pocha, Rotarian Ibrahim Chinoy, Rotarian Gustas Rashid, Rotarian C.V. Zob, Rotarian Joel Delvis, Rotarian Lakshmikant Bhojwani, Rotarian Sam Irani, and Rotarian Vivek Arana. And within its fellowship stood Pune's most eminent names: Fram Pocha, S.L. Kirloskar, Dr. Neelkant Kalyani, ex-Mayor Neelu Bhau Limaye, D.V. Podda, Vasant Somvanshi, Dr. Ram Rathi, Nana Sahib Parulekar, and Prakash Telam, to name a few. Since 1939, the club has hosted 10 district conferences. In 1951-52, it rewrote Rotary's future. The then club president, late Rotarian J.W. McBain, the first director of the National Chemical Laboratory, came up with the concept of electing a nominating committee to nominate the president and the board of directors of the club. A Rotary Club of Pune idea adopted by the Rotary International worldwide. When the Rotary Club of Pune moved, the world followed. When floods drowned villages, when earthquakes shattered lives, when cyclones swept cities, the Rotary Club of Pune was there. From Panshet to Koyna, from Andhra to Latur, from Gujarat to Bhuj, from Kerala to Kolhapur to Mahad, the Rotary Club of Pune stood as a pillar of support. In 1942, it planted a seed of healing at Khadakwasla, a medical center that became a beacon of care. Its members carried service on their shoulders, traveling far and wide to Lonikan, Khanapur, Loni, Daund, Talegaon Dabhade, Velu, Ahire, Kodanapur, Wagholi, Moshi, Chikhli, and Vadebulai, conducting RVCs across villages, reaching the forgotten with dignity and compassion. It was not just medical relief, it was Rotary on foot, Rotary in action, Rotary written in the hearts of those it touched. And from there, the legacy deepened. A road built at Khadakwasla, inaugurated by none other than Mahatma Gandhi. The Konwa Leprosy Asylum, at a time when leprosy was most feared. A workshop for the blind at Hadapsar, a future shaped for symbiosis with help for its very first building. Polio corrective surgeries as a matching grant project. A trauma center at Ruby Hall Clinic. Power looms for the Kamayani Institute for the mentally handicapped, turning dependence into livelihood. Milk for infants deprived of mothers through the human milk collection van in 2017. Dialysis machines, mammography units, blood collection vans, baby warmers, pediatric heart surgeries, cornea transplants, equipping maternity wards, computers with braille keyboards, rubella vaccines, equipment for handicapped children, laboratories in schools, all lifelines of health and hope. And long before India spoke of Swachh Bharat, the Rotary Club of Pune was already there. In 1988, it built toilet blocks for girl students and drinking water facilities at Satav High School, Wagholi. That spark grew into a movement, culminating in the club's signature WASH project in 2011 and 12, supported by global grants. Before Mother and Child became Rotary's global focus, Rotary Club of Pune was already healing them, providing free medical treatment, sponsoring critical neonatal equipment at Sassoon Hospital, and saving lives in silence since 2006. Before sustainability became a buzzword, the Rotary Club of Pune was already there, harvesting rainwater, teaching sustainable farming, creating women's self-help groups across the villages of Masuba Wadi, Ramwadi, Maveshi, Morwadi, Khetwadi, Savarkute, and Terungan. In the last 10 years alone, it has led watershed management projects worth $1 million across the hilly tracts of Akole Taluka, Emanagar district, powered by 7 global grants. This was not just foresight, it was prophecy. And alongside these great milestones, the rhythm of service never stopped. Tree plantations, blood collection drives, eye surgeries, cleft lip surgeries, road safety programs, vocational training, and contributions to the Rotary Foundation, year after year, without fail. When festivals arrive, the Rotary Club of Pune shows unity, celebrating Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Baisakhi, and Parsi New Year as one cosmopolitan family together. This tradition continues since the last 90 years. 90 years. 10 district conferences, countless projects, endless service, all-time giving to the Rotary Foundation, $778,891 and counting. Today with 95 strong hearts, many of them with the club for more than 50 years, and countless stories written in service, the Rotary Club of Pune still stands, not as history, not as memory, but as a living flame, the first, the foremost, the eternal, the flame that lit Rotary in this land and will burn for generations to come. It is a throne of legacy where every heartbeat echoes the motto, service above self.